Hey, this is Doug Kaupak, and today I'm going to show you how to enter some variables, put them in your memory, and then generate a quick plot or a graph using RStudio. So to begin with, let's create a variable. We'll call it x, and we're going to assign to it. That's what this arrow means. It's essentially just a less than sign followed by a dash. We're going to assign to it a sequence of numbers, and to do that you're going to use the concatenate command, which is just a C with a parentheses, and then we'll do 1 through, let's say, 8. Now when I hit return there, you see I came back, the cursor's now at a caret over here, but you also saw that I'm going to go here in my workspace, I now have a variable called x, and it's a numeric variable that has 8 elements in it. So if I wanted to make a different variable, let's call this one y, and I'm just going to choose 8 random numbers using a built-in function called rnorm, which really just means random normal generator, random number generator from a normal distribution, that is. And I'm going to pick 8 values. And now you can see that I have another variable over here in my workspace called y. Now if you wanted to see what these were again, you could just simply type x. There, it's going to show you what's in there for the values that are in the x variable. And if I type y, those are the 8 random numbers that are inside the variable y. Now the next step might be to make a simple plot of x versus y. And the command here is pretty straightforward. It's just plot. And then you just put a parentheses. Notice that R automatically closes that parenthesis for you. And you put x comma y. Hit return, and you get a graph that looks like this. Now I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger so it's easier to see. And what you can see is that I have x, the x variable on my x-axis, and the y variable on my y-axis. That's it. Pretty simple. See you next time.